Hey, what's going on YouTube? All right, thanks for joining me for another video. And today we're going to do a video on replacing the tail lamp on the back of the Mercedes that was busted out during the accident. Right here. All right, so the package is in, and let's go ahead and open up the box and see what the new one is. It cost me about $198 on eBay, so I'm gonna check it out, see what we got. All right, let's see how this is boxed in. More boxes. So looks like we have all right, nice new lens, which is perfect. It's got the gasket that goes on it. Hopefully you guys can kind of see this. Got the gasket. This part up here is the LED section. These are just your regular bulbs, or taking it off, but all you need is a 8mm, and you have your screws. There's one right there, one over there. There's one a little bit further out over that way where the cord is at, and I think there's one more right there. And these are all 8mm, only 4 of them, and it takes about, I don't know, 20 seconds to take it off. So yeah. All right, so just triple checking, make sure everything works. To me, it looks pretty good. I would definitely say that. Matches up nicely. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so that's basically replacing this broken thing during the accident. Like I said, I got it on eBay for about $198, and came in about 3 days, which is fast, quick, easy. And I'm glad that, I don't know, let me see if I can pan out a little bit. The car's getting fixed slowly, and I didn't have to spend a whole bunch of money, you know, trying to do this. So, all right, thanks for joining me for this video.